Well, News 4 recently broke the story about a brewing fiscal challenge between Erie County and ECMC. Just a few weeks ago, in a News 4 exclusive, Rich Newberg exposed the swelling cost the county might be forced to pay. And as Rich explains tonight, the Erie County executive is sounding the alarm for taxpayers.
I'm very worried about the financial status of the county.
And number one on the county executive's list of worries is how much Erie County may owe the Erie County Medical Center for patients who are uninsured or underinsured.
We may have to pay them up to $51 million this year, and we only have $16 million in the budget.
Mark Polencars blames his predecessor, Chris Collins, for underestimating future county costs to ECMC and for allegedly hiding much of the $50 million in overall expenses to the county and declining revenue that Polencars said he could never anticipate.
I'm fairly confident that his administration knew about some of these items because they basically fell in our lap when we took office on January 1st.
It's certainly disappointing to hear the blame game started.
Collins, who is now running for Congress, says the deal he negotiated with ECMC in the long run saved Erie County millions of dollars.
We were on the hook for unlimited losses, covering retiree health costs, capital costs. We're all on the hook. We were paying rent for buildings that we were occupying. All of that is gone now.
On another big issue, to correct problems that have lingered at the Erie County Holding Center, 72 additional deputies must be hired and possibly 7 civilian support staff, which will cost about $6 million. Mr. Collins had chosen to pay existing staff overtime, but now that is considered unacceptable.
You have to take the human factor in. So if you look at a situation where an individual works 16 hours, after a certain amount of time, that individual becomes let's say, less friendly, possibly.
We're working to get this resolved, but now we got to find the money to do it.
The new positions at the holding center are now mandated by the state. On the other big issue, ECMC is working with Erie County to work out a payment plan that won't break the bank.